Is it dark for me? Where is the coverage? And I feel there's nothing on my skin right now. So guys, I'm back! Hello my makeup junkies, what's up and welcome back to my channel. कैसे हो आप सब? So ये वीडियो काफ़ी टाइम से पेंडिंग था and I'm finally shooting it today. So as you saw in thumbnail, I'm going to review this K Beauty Hydrating Foundation enriched with avocado and mango butter. I'll keep it on my face for entire day and see how it works. Is it worth the money? Whether you should invest it or not, because it's not a drugstore product. It will cost you for rupees 1200, and before purchasing it, I'm sure you wanted to know all these things. So follow me throughout the day, and without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. ओके सो हियर आई एम विथ माई बेयर फेस और अभी मैंने फेस पे क्रीम के अलावा और कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है बिकॉज इट्स अ फाउंडेशन रिव्यू. बट फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करने से पहले मैं लगाऊंगी ये कलर बार का फ्लॉलेस फिनिश प्राइमर जस्ट टू मेक माई बेस लुक फ्लॉलेस. एंड ये प्राइमर पे मैंने ऑलरेडी रिव्यू बनाया है, मेरे चैनल पे डाला हुआ है. इफ़ यू हैव मिस्ड इट देन मैं ऊपर कार्ड पे मेंशन कर दूंगी या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, सो यू कैन गो देयर एंड चेक इट आउट लेटर. एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्राइमर आई हैव एवर यूज्ड. सो मैंने अपना फेस प्रेप कर लिया है फॉर फाउंडेशन एंड इट्स अराउंड 12:29 in the afternoon. So now we'll apply the foundation and this is how the outer packaging looks like. I have chosen the shade 110N light. N refers for neutral, so they have P, Y and N shades in these. So I have picked up 110 night. Why? Because मेरा जो skin tone है it's more like a light and neutral. So मैं Maybelline का शेड यूज़ करती हूँ 115 and I use MAC NC15 or NW20 sometimes. So I thought this will go well with that. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, and I don't see any card or anything with this. This just come with this cardboard box, and this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's a very light, sleek bottle. This is their regular packaging जो K Beauty के बाकी products की तरह होती है. So it comes like this in pumps kind of a bottle. Normally I use blending brush to apply foundation and beauty blenders for concealer. But for now what I'll do is on my left hand side I'll use this beauty blender, and on my right hand side I'll apply the foundation with brush just to see how this finish looks. Is it dark for me? So I'm using a damp beauty blender and blending it thoroughly. It is very easy to blend and this shade is perfect match for me. But अगर ये फाउंडेशन थोड़ा सा भी ऑक्सीडाइज होता है तो मेरा फेस डार्क दिखने लगेगा. Now on my right hand side I'm applying this foundation with my packed blending brush, and again it's merging with my skin effortlessly. We are done with our first layer of foundation and I feel there's nothing on my skin right now. ये बहुत अच्छे से blend हो गया मेरे skin के साथ. But why such a less coverage? Like यहाँ पे मेरा एक scar है, if you can see. It's very light और mostly जो भी मैं foundation use करती हूँ ये cover up कर लेते हैं. But this foundation इसने cover नहीं किया इस scar को. So I think this is like a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. I don't know what is it. So I think yeah हमको इसका और एक layer लगाना पड़ेगा, and here we go again. So I'm repeating the same process of blending it with both beauty blender and brush. Okay, I think it looks better now. Not the best. I still feel there's a lack of coverage, but ठीक है, better than before. So and again one thing I noticed that मैंने beauty blender और brush से blend किया, but there's no as such difference. तो आप कोई भी चीज़ use कर सकते हो इसके लिए. It will make your face flawless. But what I have noticed now, my skin started feeling little oily. So like there's a lot of shine on my face right now. So my skin is already super oily. So I don't know how it will look after few hours. So what I'll do now, I'll just go do my full face of makeup and come back. This is my final look after doing full face makeup with this foundation, and it's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'll capture this frame with some pictures and I'll see you in some time. So hey guys, I'm back and it's 3:35 in the afternoon and I had my lunch some time back. एज ऑफ नाउ मुझे मेरे फेस पे कोई चेंजेस नहीं दिख रहे हैं. इट्स लिटिल डार्क, पहले से थोड़ा डार्क दिख रहा है मेरा फेस अभी, बट नॉट मेजर चेंजेस. अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ मेरे बाइक में फ्यूलिंग कराने एंड टू गेट सम ग्रॉसरीज. तो इस फाउंडेशन की टेस्ट एक्चुअल में अभी होगी बिकॉज बाहर बहुत धूप है एंड आई एम स्टेपिंग आउट और मैं मास्क पहन के जा रही हूँ. सो लेट्स सी, मैं बाहर जाके आती हूँ एंड देन फिर चेक करते हैं. Hello guys, I'm back again and it's 5:03 in the evening. So बाहर बहुत गर्मी थी, बहुत धूप भी थी and as you can see मेरे मास्क की हालत क्या हो गई है. ऑलमोस्ट मेरा इस एरिया का सारा फाउंडेशन इसके ऊपर ट्रांसफ़र हो चुका है मुझे लग रहा है. एंड आई एम फीलिंग सुपर स्वेटी और मुझे बहुत ऐसा ऑयली हो रही है मेरी स्किन अभी. अब ये फाउंडेशन की वजह से हो रहा है या गर्मी की वजह से हो रहा है, आई डोंट नो, बट आई एम फीलिंग वेरी स्वेटी राइट नाउ. So what I'll do, I again need to shoot one more video today. एक शॉर्ट वीडियो मुझे बनाना है, वो मैं शूट करती हूँ and maybe I'll see you after 3-4 hours. Okay guys, so it's 8:33 PM at night and it's been 7 to 8 hours since I have applied this foundation. और उसके बीच में मैंने बहुत सारे काम किए. मैं बाहर जाके आई, I have shot one more video and I just finished my dinner. सो जैसे कि हमने ये 8 आवर्स का वेयरिंग टेस्ट कर ही लिया है तो आपको थोड़ा डिफरेंस तो अभी दिख रहा होगा ऑन माई फेस एंड ऑन माई नेक. इसमें काफ़ी डिफरेंस दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब ये ऑक्सीडाइज हो गया है फाउंडेशन. एंड सिंस वी हैव डन दिस 8 आवर्स का वेयर टेस्ट, लेट मी कम टू माई फाइनल वर्डिक्ट. सो देयर आर सम प्रोज एंड कॉन्स आई वांटेड टू शेयर इट विथ यू. लेट्स बिगिन. Okay, so let's begin with the pros first. So pro number 1, the moment you apply it, it gives you very natural flawless finish. और ये फाउंडेशन बहुत लाइट वेट है. जब मैंने इसका फर्स्ट कोट लगाया था तब मुझे लगा कि मैंने स्किन पे कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. सो इट डजंट मेक योर स्किन केकी. इवन अभी 8 घंटे के बाद भी मेरी स्किन बिल्कुल केकी नहीं लग रही है. सो इट विल गिव यू वेरी नेचुरल फिनिश. Pro number 2, very well chosen shade range. They have launched around 20 shades in this foundation and especially for Indian skin tone, if you're medium to dark complexion, you're definitely gonna find your exact shade in this foundation. Pro number 3, it's a hydrating foundation. So for dry skin beauty, this is a win-win product for you guys. You don't really have to worry about prepping your face before applying foundation. This is very moisturizing. Pro number 4, it oxidizes but very little bit, not like other foundations which makes your face dull and dark after few hours. So this is a plus point. Alright, so let's discuss some cons now. So the con number 1, it's not for oily skin. If you have combination oily or super oily skin, don't use this product, especially in summers. If you're wearing it and stepping out of the house, it will be a disaster. I'm telling you, you will sweat a lot. Con number 2, it's not waterproof or transfer proof. A while ago I showed you my mask, right? Wait, let me show it to you again. Look at this. क्या है ये? मेरा ऑलमोस्ट सारा इधर का फाउंडेशन तो पूरा मुझे लगता है इसके ऊपर ट्रांसफ़र हो गया है. एंड दिस हैपन्स बिकॉज यू स्वेट अ लॉट. अगर आपको स्वेटिंग हो रही है तो ऑब्वियसली योर फाउंडेशन इज गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर ऑन योर मास्क एंड राइट नाउ यू कांट गो मास्क फ्री. सो यू हैव टू कंसिडर दिस. It is transferable, like highly transferable. Con number 3, it is pricey. This is not a drugstore product. And given the fact that this is not waterproof, it will hardly last on your face for 4 to 5 hours. And 1200, it's too much price for that. I believe this could be easily between 700 to 800 as per the other product prices. Con number 4 and the most relatable con is it has a very sheer coverage. ये मेकअप लुक जो मैंने क्रिएट किया है इसके लिए भी I have used 6 to 8 pumps of foundation to get the medium coverage. It's good that it's a buildable foundation, but if you have pigmented skin, you will be using a lot of product to cover it and it's just not worth the price you're paying for it. Because market में से बहुत से full coverage foundation available है which will give you better coverage in lesser price. It's 4 versus 4 and it's a neutral product for me because I have oily skin and I have purchased it already. तो मुझे इसे use तो करना पड़ेगा. I'm not gonna use it in summers or rainy season, but I'll definitely use this one in winters and I won't repurchase it unless and until I'm getting it on very good discount like 30 to 40% off. But on the other hand, I have found the closest shade in foundation with K Beauty. This shade is perfect match for my skin tone. And as I said earlier, for dry skin beauties, if you're okay with buildable foundation, don't think about the price, just get this product. It will be your best friend for all the occasions. And that sums up my review about K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and I hope you found it helpful. If you do so, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do review on any other makeup product, do let me know in comment section below, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.